What do you do when your girlfriend's snoring? Oh, bless. Oh, bless. Look at her. She looks so pretty right there with her mouth wide open. I can fix this. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, silence. Perfect. Oh, bless her. I can watch TV now.